McCree.
Hi.
We're gonna go to vegan restaurant now.
We have lines. We have to wait. Today we are in Shibuya, Tokyo. We're gonna be challenging. Number 1, we eat under $20 for each. Number 2, we'll keep everything vegan. So let's go. We are having lunch at MASAKA. If you're looking for a traditional izakaya style Japanese meal but keep it vegan, this is it. When we order, first we scan the QR code and select the language. You can see everything in English, plus there are pictures, so it makes it easier to order.
どうぞお楽しみください。ありがとうございます。すごい。
Right.
So how can you come up with all the ideas?
Yeah, so of course we had to do a lot of thinking because like you said, we cannot use fish stock or any other animal products that are often very much used within Japanese food. But actually if you go back to the roots of Japanese food, you might be familiar with shoji ryori.
Yeah.
This is actually something that is very close to vegan food because they also try to omit animal products as much as possible. And also in Japan, fortunately, you can find a lot of tofu products.
Yeah.
Like soy is very popular.
Yeah.
So for us as well, we started with using soy meat. So that was the basis for most of our products to replace the typical meat dishes that you can find in Japanese izakaya. And then from there, we were looking for different layers that we could add to build a flavor profile.
お店の一押しメニューは何ですか？
Oh, so I think most customers here they order the karaage, so the Japanese fried chicken style, because it's I think very popular for izakaya and it's something that you cannot find very easily as a vegan. But for us personally, actually, we asked the staff. All of them said the maitake the fried maitake.
美味しそう。
What it is? Yes, this one is also my personal favorite.
ありがとうございます。すごい。OK。失礼いたします。どうぞお楽しみください。いただきます。美味しい。Do you make mapo tofu at home?
But it's a little different from mine. I can see like a lot of effort going on in here. I can feel the depth in taste, which I never really recreate in my kitchen. So yeah. I enjoy everything, but karaage was unreal. It's crunchy on the outside, but really meaty and juicy inside. People working there were so nice, friendly, and kind. But one thing I have to say is they don't take reservations, so you might have to wait or you should visit before it opens. I put the link in the description box, so say hello to them for me if you ever visit MASAKA. We are full but feel like having something sweet, so we found the perfect cafe for our craving. In MATCHA Tokyo, we can enjoy different types of matcha. They have vegan options too. Is this sweet?
It's quite sweet. Yeah.
Quite sweet.
Like if you're not used to like the Japanese flavor, it's actually not as sweet. Vegan matcha cookies.
Is it good?
Really chewy. Crunchy outside.
So far, we had 2,100 yen for lunch at MASAKA and 1,700 yen at MATCHA Tokyo. So we still have 1,500 yen to spend. We decided to go to the convenience store to see what vegan options you guys will have in Tokyo. To be honest, it was quite hard to find the vegan options. Even like onigiri had some miscellaneous seasoning in the ingredients list, which might contain some fish stock.
It's like obvious, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Usually they don't contain
any animals, but by reading milk, there's so many things in here. Looks okay. Japanese confectionery, which is like mochi, tends to be vegan friendly, so we bought it.
How do you explain this? Yatsuhashi. I think it has kind of like the mochi, like rice layer on top, but there's azuki beans inside, right? What's it called?
Yatsuhashi. We're gonna try this.
Yeah.
Yatsuhashi.
Soft and mushy.
It's so awkward because everyone else is looking at
My friend Macrin is vegan living in Tokyo. Advice from Macrin. And I want to know about the vegan life in Tokyo, so I asked her to come with us today.
Right now it's like really easy because like every place has like something that you can find. Even in konbinis, there should be like something. Your best friend's gonna be Google Translate if you can't like speak Japanese. Look up on websites and watch Miwa's videos, and you'll be able to find something that you can eat, and also other restaurants that you can visit, especially around the big major cities like Shibuya, Shinjuku. The idea of this video came from your comments, so thank you so much for that. And to be honest, Japan is not the best country for the vegans. We have less options for vegans, but I'm hoping that if you come to Japan, you guys gonna enjoy your time, wonderful experience here in Tokyo and in Japan. And so I want to introduce you one app. It's called Happy Cow. It's not sponsored or anything, but my friend Macri uses it all the time to find a restaurant. So I'm gonna put the link in the description box below. Thanks a lot for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.